Why do old people not get embarrassed about anything? Like even things that they should get embarrassed about, they don't, because my friend had a grandpa named Jim who lived with him, and the things Jim did without getting embarrassed amazed me. Like one time we went to go eat and we're at our table and the waitress walks up to us, super nice girl by the way, and she says, "Hey, how are we all doing tonight?" And without even answering the question, Grandpa Jim goes, "Your breath is horrible. Take a mint." And he pulls out a pack of mints out of his pocket. Obviously, she declined the mint, but after she went away, Grandpa Jim's daughter was like, "Dad, why did you say that?" And he goes, "Because her breath smelled horrible." I mean, yeah, that checks out, I guess. But Grandpa Jim was really old, so sometimes he would just pee his pants, but his family would question whether he did it on accident or on purpose, because when he did it, he would literally have no reaction. Like you could be staring at him and see his pants just slowly start to get darker, and he would just be unfazed. Honestly though, Grandpa Jim was an inspiration to me because he made me aspire to be as unbothered about life as he was. Still feel bad for that waitress though.